It looks great. Nice work, man. It's good.
Hey, Ben.
Good, doing good, yeah. Ready to chomping at the bit, ready to put this thing together.
Good.
Yeah.
So today's a big day. We have all the parts for the 55 Legacy project coming back from Hometown Collision. We decided to go with a two-tone paint job on this 55 Chevy truck to give it that old school feel. We chose a tri-coat Alfa Romeo blue. It has a lot of metallic in it. Can't wait to see how it turned out.
That's beautiful. Yeah, that blue, that's a really pretty blue, isn't it?
Yeah, it is.
The original fuel tank on this build was located behind the seat inside the cab of our 55 Chevy. We decided to locate our brand new Jazz fuel cell underneath of the bed in our tube chassis portion of our frame. We decided to go with a brand new, freshly built LS6 power plant, made it up to a 4L80E automatic transmission. We're gonna bolt those together and drop them in our chassis. The next step on the Service Tire and Truck Center build is to complete the chassis by installing all new suspension, Bilstein shocks, new airbags, brand new brakes and rotors, and fresh set wheels and tires. The front steering on this 55 Chevy was pretty sloppy. We got that all sorted out with a brand new setup from Rear Parts.
With Kenny's project, we're actually building the tie rod ends with our mini Fab Series. The benefit of the mini Fab Series is it's a lot smaller forging and a smaller cartridge. So when you get into tight spaces, that smaller forging allows for clearance between the forging and the backing plate for the brakes. The parts that we're going to install in the 55 Chevy are the center link, the idler arm, the inner and outer tie rod assembly. And the cool thing about it is, unlike any steering system in the past, this steering system has the mini Fab Series, which has a replaceable cartridge.
So now Dave is going to start the exhaust on our Legacy build. He's going to modify the custom set of headers and bend up a complete exhaust system using our Huth tube bender.
My favorite part about using the Huth bender is it's all in one machine. With the versatility, I can bend my tube, swage the ends, I can expand, contract, and with the multitude of tooling, I can make whatever end I need for the exhaust job I'm doing.
Now that we're in the final assembly stage on the Legacy build, it's time to tackle the wiring. Ben's gonna come in with his brand new paintless wiring kit and wire the entire vehicle.
Working on the Legacy project today, everything's getting changed on it, so the best choice for us is gonna be this paintless, customizable harness. Allows us to have all the outputs we need, anything we could add in the future. It's just a clear, simple choice for us to use on this project.
Here's a little tip for you do-it-yourselfers. If you're gonna do an engine swap and you're thinking, how am I gonna handle all this wiring? Paintless has got you covered. You basically just cut all the old stuff out, put all the new stuff in, good to go.